Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12th CBSE Maths Relations and Function Exercise 1.3 question number 2. Let's see the question. Let f, g, h be a function from R to R. Show that f plus g composite h is equal to f composite h plus g composite h. This can be called as circle, dot, O, any type we can call this. Now we need to prove this is equal to this, and given the function is a real numbers to real numbers. Now I am taking the first one. The first one is LHS is f plus g composite h is h. Now remember that for f composite g we can also write this to be f of g of x. So this can be also written as f of g of x. Now if this is f plus g composite h means the second one we can write that to be g of x. Here the second one can be written as h of x. Now we can, by the binomial multiply, we know that we can multiply this inside. It's a monomial multiply. If we multiply it, it becomes f of h of x plus g of h of x. As I told before, this can be written like this. If we have this, we can write it to be this, that is f composite g. Instead of f of g of x, we can also write this to be f of f composite g. This can be written as f composite h plus g composite h. This is equal to our RHS. So we have proved it. So we have proved the first thing. We'll move on to the second one. The second one, here the LHS is given as f dot or f multiplied g composite h. The same way, the second one can be, the after composite we can write that to be h of x. So f dot h of x. Same way, the multiply we can write it for both separately. So this can be written as f of h of x into, that is the dot over here, g of h of x. Remember that usually we don't multiply it inside when it is in multiply, but here we need to take it inside with both the terms. Now this can be written as f composite h dot g composite h. This is equal to our RHS, so we have proved it. That's all with the sum. Thank you.